Did you know the Easter Bunny came for you? The Easter Bunny came.
Yeah.
Well,
I see
you
the egg.
just have to look around.
We gotta see if we can find them.
Oh, do you tell her Easter Bunny?
Yeah.
Did I say more than I said?
No? Nope.
Do you see any eggs?
Oh
my
my
goodness.
goodness.
Wow.
What is that? Wow.
Want to open it?
Oh, let me get my camera.
What's in that? What is it? Here. Yeah. It's a butterfly for your hair.
Sure?
See?
Pretty sure.
No, we're not gonna put that. Here, we'll put it in Nana's hand. Put a butterfly and a ring. Oh, it's yours. I was just holding it for you.
Scotch.
It's a ring, a puppy mug ring. Wow. What else is in there? Another ring?
Well, that looks like a
rings?
princess ring.
Oh boy.
That's a princess ring.
I'll give it to Dad.
What's that?
God bless you.
What else is in there? A bracelet?
I gotta get down there where I can see.
Put it on your wrist. No? You don't want it?
Not yet?
Here. You want me to put it on? Yeah. I got it on.
I'm almost positive.
Are you on record?
Oh my goodness.
Me? Yeah.
Gracious.
Yes, a butterfly. Another bracelet. You want me to put this on too? Wow. What do you got? Sorry.
No, that's all right.
What'd you do?
What is this?
Another
Oh, I
butterfly.
don't know. I never changed that. I just leave it where it
Wow.
is. What'd you do? Change it? I'd have to get the book and read up because I don't know. I don't
No.
know what it was.
Yeah, man, I got time, you got
You want me to fix it? Here, I'll close it. Here, I'll close it for you. Okay.
Can you get it?
There you go. Put it in the bag.
You got much more to find, Ava.
I'll fix it, Pen. Grab it, don't step on the egg.
That's right. We're not going live yet.
Oh, there's one.
There you go. There you go.
Live, yeah.
There's more. Is there another egg? What is that? Oh my goodness. But you gotta open it.
No, she doesn't open each
Okay,
one
you don't have to
now.
open it.
This.
What is that?
There we go. Okay.
What's in it?
What's in there?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. Easter Bunny knows you like jelly beans.
Beans for a bean, huh?
Is that cool? Yeah. He's so good. We're gonna eat it later. Hmm? I love that. You want to eat it? Hmm?
Well, here, I'll close it up for you so you can find more eggs, okay? Here,
You
find
got a
more
lot of eggs to find.
Wow.
Oh,
Put this one. Here. Here, look at, on the other side, I think there's more.
my goodness.
Yeah, I'll eat it, thank you.
What's in that one? My goodness.
Wow, fill the bag up with the eggs. I think there's some more too outside. Wait a minute, is that one over there? Look it.
Go get it.
She already has servants.
Bunny.
A bunny.
Mom, is your battery low?
Is it low?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, let me go get some then.
it in the bag. Come
God
on.
bless you.
Put it in the bag. There you go.
A
Wow.
lamb.
A lamb, you're right. Look at
Hold this. I gotta go get the charger.
Put it in the bag. Put the eggs in the bag. And then we'll go see if there's more. Okay.
A bear.